Senja Svahn. My profession is Professor of Marketing, but I'm currently about to found my new business. My background is about business networks. I've been researching and teaching and consulting around business networks. So basically, based on that previous experience, I'm going to continue that, and I'm offering those services to business companies, through some presentations, some online stuff, seminars and consulting projects. Because this timing was just perfect for me. I was just about to start to build up my web pages, starting to scaling up my business, doing my marketing plan and stuff like that. And then I just saw this ad about this. Oh, it has been amazing. Basically, I've been teaching about those issues. So basically what I've been teaching, it is like marketing, management, international business, and now you guys have helped me to put it all in the practice, what I've been teaching previously in theory. So next steps are going to be, next I'm going to do my marketing campaigns, launching up all those social media things, and then I'm going to reach my first clients. Atmosphere has been amazing. It has been super encouraging, very laid back. Everybody has been supporting each other. There's everybody has somehow complementing each other. Everybody knows a little bit different things. So it is a very good combination when people are coming from the different backgrounds. Yes, I would recommend Travel Tribe to everybody.